Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for stopping by. Today I'm going to share with you this amazing recipe for Guyanese vegetable cook-up rice. Let's get started. Okay guys, so this is going to be super quick and easy. And the ingredients are simple. I have onion, garlic, some carrot, thyme, wiri peppers, scotch bonnet pepper. I also have some bell peppers, basil, scallion, parsley. I'll be using the canned coconut milk and the canned peas. I have some parboiled rice here, and for my seasoning I'll be using a little brown sugar, some chicken bouillon, seasoned salt, complete seasoning, cook-up seasoning, and black pepper. So to a medium-sized pot, I've heated some oil, and here I will go in with my aromatics and the carrots. We'll give it a good mix and allow it to go for about 2 to 3 minutes or so. Next, you want to follow up with your washed rice. Always make sure you wash your rice thoroughly before cooking it. So we're going to toss that rice and allow that to go for about a minute or two before we add our liquid and seasoning. Like I said, once a minute is up, you want to go in and add your coconut milk, and I will add a little water here as well. We will also add the seasoning to add flavor and taste. You can taste and adjust the seasoning to your own preference. Oh, and I forgot, I went in with a little bit of cassareep for color because I don't like my cook-up looking white. So I added a little cassareep for color, but you can add soy sauce or whichever brown sauce you have on hand. Give it a good stir, cover, and we will give this about 15 minutes cook time before adding the peas, because we don't want the peas to mash out and become mushy. So we'll cover this and allow it to go for about 15 minutes or so. If you know parboiled rice, it takes a long time to cook. So you don't want to add the peas now and then it, get mashed, and we don't want that. So after about 15 minutes, this is how it is looking. Now we will go ahead and add our peas and give it a stir, cover it, and allow it to continue cooking until our rice is nice and tender. So after about 30 minutes simmering on medium-low heat, this is now done. Now with cook-up rice, you always want to leave a little of that liquid in there so that when it cools down, it's not super dry. If you dry out all the liquid now, when it cools, your cook-up rice will be dry, and I don't really know anyone that likes a dry cook-up rice. If you like that, go ahead and do what you prefer. But here you have it, my version of the most delicious vegetable cook-up rice. Now I will go ahead and fry up some ripe plantains and some sea trout to go along with this. Now if you want my fried fish recipe, I can leave a link down in the description box for those that are interested. But here I was just showing you a short clip of me frying up my plantains and my fish. Today I'll be using sea trout fish, like I said, and yeah, that's basically it. Once all of this is done, we can plate up and enjoy. And here you have it, Guyanese vegetable cook-up rice with fried fish, fried ripe plantains, and a fresh garden salad. When I tell you this was mouth-watering delicious, I can't wait for y'all to give this recipe a try. If you enjoy my video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. I will leave all my ingredients and measurements down in the description box, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching. Happy Emancipation Day to you all, Guyana, and enjoy.